Hello everyone, welcome to Castor Squad. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text in your footage in Premiere Pro. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. First, drag and drop your media file in timeline, and then in this line click on type tool, then click on footage, and now in left side all settings appear. So click here and type your text as you want. So I type this Castor Squad. So again click on selection tool, and now you can move your text anywhere on screen. So if you go to settings of text, then under source text you can select the style of alphabet. You can select any style. So if I select this long, so you see the text style is changed. Now I select any other style like this sign painter, so the style again changed. From here you can increase or decrease the size of your text, or you can move. So if you scroll down, then in appearance you see 4 boxes. This fill, stroke, background or shadow. So first is text color. Click on this, and from here you can select any color for your text. So if I select this blue color and then click on this blue color, click OK. So your text color changed to blue. If you want stroke in your text, then click on this stroke, and I select this white color for stroke, click OK. So if you want background for your text, then click on this, check this background, and you see from here you can change the size or appearance of your text background. You can dark or light from here. So if you want shadow for your text, then check this, and first see the text. Now from here increase the line, and now you see the shadow is appear with these alphabets. So if we move to timeline, then from here you can set the duration of your text for footage. For example, I want this text from here to here, so expand this line, and now text appear. Now I play the video and you can see the text. But when this pink line is finished, the text is disappear from screen. So like this you can expand the text duration, or You can decrease the text duration like this, compress or expand. Hope you guys understand my video how you can add text in your footage by using Premiere Pro. If you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.